Hello everyone, this is Tyva again, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up an SVG. So this is more SB training. This is a personal SVG that I made for myself, and I want to show you guys how you can actually clean it up in Design Space to make your cutting experience a whole lot smoother. So we're going to go here to upload this SVG, and it's going to take a moment or two to load. Okay, so once it's loaded, it's going to show you I have vary here. You can switch out vary with stay, and you could put I'm. So I included these 3 words in this tutorial, and you can just exchange them out. And I'm going to show you how. Click the green save button. It's going to take a moment or two. Okay, once it's uploaded, click it here, and you see I already uploaded it one time before. And then all of your pieces are going to come over here. So I'm going to move this up. And to remove your words, just click ungroup. And I'm going to hide these words for the time being. Okay, now we're going to be working over here. You can click this arrow to hide the things that you're not going to be working with. I want to weld vary together because it's currently not welded together. So you're going to hold down the shift button and click all of these and go to weld. Okay, and I also want to weld woke because I want all of the black together. And I actually could weld woke and vary since I wanted to keep it in the same spot. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to hold my shift button again, click vary, KE, the stem. So I'm highlighting everything that is black, and I'm going to weld it together. And then once we click it, we have to arrange and send to the back. And there you have it. So now all the pieces I have a total of 3 pieces, which I'll show you. Well, actually not, 3 pieces, because we have the black, the red, and the little piece of white. And so I'm going to select all. And I'm actually doing a medium size shirt. So when I'm doing a medium shirt, I would like to do maybe 9 inches wide. And that's, a lot of people ask, well, how do you size your logos or your designs for your t-shirts? And I like to pick with them and say, hey, I do it from nipple to nipple. So kind of give you a vision of that. You want to have the design from the middle of the collar of the shirt going straight down. And maybe one day I'll get a chance to actually show you exactly what I'm talking about. But you can kind of envision the nipple to nipple because you want the decal right in front and not to go so wide that it goes up under your arms when you're wearing it. So 9 inches is pretty good for a medium shirt. Now we're going to go to make it, and I'm going to show you the mats real quick. Make sure that all of your images, all of your mats are mirrored by doing this. So I got the white piece mirrored. Go down here. I have that mirrored as well. And then go here. I have this mirrored as well. And then after this, after you mirror all of your images and place them on the mat how you would like them, that is when you're going to cut. And so when you actually land this design on a t-shirt, you want to lay down the black first. And then you want to lay down your cherry, the red first. And then your last piece will actually be the white. So after you do that, now when it comes to layering on the shirt, this is like a little nugget I like to give you guys real quick. You want to press at the lowest temperature in order for your vinyl, your HTV, to adhere to the shirt. And for your final press, you want to put it at your highest temperature. So usually for me, I can actually press these items at a temperature between 280 to 300. And then the final press, I'll probably do maybe 325 to 330. And you do this because as you're laying each layer, you don't want it too hot to where your vinyl will actually shrink. Your HDV will actually shrink on you, and it won't align like it's supposed to if the if the heat press is too warm. So that's a little nugget that I came across when I was doing these designs. I hope that this gave you a little insight, gave you a little practice on how to navigate SVGs. When you're actually doing this, what we did earlier, you want to try to attach as many similar colors as you can. But the only thing that is different is when you have varying layers of different things. But this was pretty easy to layer. It's a 3-layer project with the black, the white, and the red. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below under the comment section. and make sure you join our group so that you can ask more questions on Facebook and we can connect with each other and I can answer more questions there. Talk to you guys soon.